back to my channel. It's Kennedy. So today's video is sponsored by aeryn21wigs, which I'm really excited for. This isn't my first sponsorship, but this is my first sponsorship video that I will be putting on my YouTube. So aeryn21 sent me a unit, which came in this beautiful black box. Black is one of my favorite colors, even though it's not a color, it's a shade. But yes, black is my favorite color. So I absolutely love this box. Inside the box, let's see if I can try to open it without everything falling everywhere. Inside the box, they gave me some samples of their shampoo and conditioner, which I'm so excited to try. Their shampoo and conditioners help their wigs last longer and just keep their shininess and keep it from shedding and breaking. They just protect the wig, which I'm so excited to try. They also sent me face masks to protect myself. Thank you. I really, really appreciate that. The unit comes in this beautiful suede black bag, which I love. And they also sent a information card that tells you about their shampoos and conditioners for their wigs. And bundles. They have bundles as well. So inside the bag is the unit. They sent me, hold on, I got my paper. Right here, girl. aeryn21 sent me a Kinky straight silky 20-inch frontal wig. The size cap is the cap size is size 1, and it is a 21.5 to 22-inch circumference. So yeah, I feel like I have a normal size head, so 22 usually works for me. And here is the beautiful unit. I'm so excited to try. Can we just talk about the lace first? The lace is absolutely beautiful. It is so thin. And it's not dark and gray. It melts right into my hand. Yes. So this is Kinky straight, which I've never tried this texture, so I'm really excited. It's 22 inches, 13 by 6. It comes with 3 combs, an elastic band inside, which is right here. It comes with an elastic band. 3 combs, and yeah, let's try her on. One thing I like about this company is that the hair does not stink at all. It smells so good, and usually sometimes when you get wigs, they smell really bad, like Kendra's Boutique. I'm sorry. A lot of people like their hair, but their hair smells like wet dog. It does, I'm sorry. I also forgot to mention, which this is so important and I don't know why I almost did not mention it. These units come bleached and plucked already, which, baby, that's gonna save you time and money. These units are affordable. They come pre-plucked, pre-bleached, ready to wear, so definitely hop on this wave before they get sold out like everybody else. Thank you so much, aeryn21wigs, for sending me this unit. I am so excited to try it. Let's put it on. Here's another clip of the wig. I just want to show you guys how beautiful it is. I really do like this wig. I didn't have any issues. Mind you, I did only keep it in for 2 days, but for the 2 days that I had it in, I loved it. So yeah, I definitely think you guys should purchase the hair. I will have a coupon code in the description box. So time for install. If you want to see how I do my bald cap method, go to my very first video and check it out. I show you how I do my bald cap. So I have the unit here. I bleached her myself a little bit more because it wasn't bleached to my liking, and then I plucked and tinted the lace to match my skin. So now I'm ready for it. So as you guys can see, this lace is super thin. I'm gonna go in and cut my lace off before I install. So I cut off half of the lace and kept on the other half. Look how good this melts into my skin, and I haven't even glued it down. It's like so loud. Before I glue it down, this is what it looks like. Look how long and thin this lace is. Where'd you go? aeryn21 did they thing with this lace, for real. Like, I think this has to be my favorite lace that I've had from a sponsorship. This lace, like, and their wigs, I checked out their prices, they're less than $300, which is amazing. They smell good, they come in a cute box, the lace is bomb, the hair is good quality, you get free samples of shampoo and conditioner for less than $300? Yes, for real. Like, I haven't even glued this down yet, and it's melted into my skin. Like, I can walk around glueless, like legit, I can walk around glueless, but so I'm gonna do 3 layers of glue and wait for each layer of glue to dry. Won't you fill me up till my cup's overflowing? I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, said our time, we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up, now you never said I couldn't you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you, so come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We've been having the best I'll show you something, give you more than words. We've been having this place styling. I love the way this hair feels, the way it smells. It feels like I blew out my own hair. It's giving me SZA vibes. I think if I curled this hair, it would definitely give me even more SZA vibes. I think I'm just gonna leave the natural texture. I don't know if I want to do a middle or a side part. Middle looks like. I love this wig because it's 13 by 6. So that's another part to super long, super duper long, super natural looking. Like, look how far back the part goes. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me. So I am going to use a wax stick and some hairspray to flatten out my hair and a hot comb. I told y'all about that hot comb. Hot comb is everything when it comes to wigs. And now for the front, I'm just going to layer it so it looks a little bit more natural. Long layers or long ones.
let you go. Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time we're making up.
What lace? What lace? Sis, I did it again. I did it again.
Can I tell you something for what it's worth?
I absolutely love this lace. Thank you, aeryn21, so much for this wig. The lace is beautiful. It is everything they said it would be. Like, yes, I love it. So instead of doing a middle part, because I think it looks a little crazy, I'm just probably gonna do like a side part. I'm not gonna do baby hairs, but if you would like to learn how to do your baby hairs for your frontal wigs, I do have a video posted on how I do them. So go check that out if you haven't watched it already.
Times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't let you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? When you have it, that's
So guys, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will definitely have more videos coming soon, sponsored by aeryn21wigs, so be out on the lookout for that. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new. I hope you enjoyed, and stay safe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
I want you to give it to me, yeah.